You're welcome back. This question taught a lot of maths guru a very big lesson. Can you solve it? We're told to look for the value of n, given that 5 to the power of n minus 100 is equal to 0. Well, our first step will be for us to move negative 100 to the right-hand side, so that we have 5 to the power of n to be equal to, as negative 100 crosses to the right, it becomes positive 100. We can break the 100 down, so we have 5 to the power of n to be equal to 100 is the same as 4 times 25. Very good. And these two terms are perfect squares. So we have 5 to the power of n to be equal to 4 can be written as 2 squared times 25 can be written as 5 squared. Very good. Now, since we're looking for the value of n and it's an exponent, we have to take the log of both sides. But we're not just going to be taking just any log. The base here is 5. So we're going to be taking the log base 5 of both sides. So I'll take the log base 5 of the left-hand side, that is 5 to the power of n. This is equal to the log base 5 of the right-hand side, that is 2 squared times 5 squared. Very good. Now let's apply an important property of logarithm that says that when I have the log of, let's say, a times b, for example, this can be written as log a plus log b. Good. Now this expression can be written like this. So this becomes, the left hand side we have the log base 5 of 5 to the power of n. This is equal to, now this now becomes log base 5 of 2 squared, good, plus log base 5 of 5 squared. Very good. Very good. Now, we have another important property of logarithm that we're going to be using. And this is log a to the power of p. Well, this is the power law of logarithm. When we have an expression like this carrying an exponent, this can be written as p, which is the exponent, times log base a. Now, let's apply this to our expression. So this now becomes n times log base 5 of 5 equal to, we do the same thing here, 2 times log base 5 of 2 plus 2 times log base 5 of 5. Very good. Very good. Now there is an important note we need to know about logarithm. That whenever the base and the numbers are the same, this is usually equal to 1. Now let's look at for something like this. We have another one here. The base and the numbers are the same, so this is equal to 1. So this becomes n times 1 is n. This is equal to 2 times log base 5 of 2 plus, now 2 times 1 is 2. Very good. There is no more way we can simplify this, so this becomes our final answer. Well, feel free to share your ideas in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video and have learned something from this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't. Turn on the notification bell so you don't miss my upcoming videos. And like I always say, until next time, take care.